When I ask Ajay, the business head, this, his answer is that we'll grow ahead of industry. So that's the answer that I can give to you. In terms of the significance of
within the
financial services business, let me sort of say that it's after this listing that we've touched a group market cap of $50 billion and actually crossed that.
What are the businesses that will drive growth within the financial services piece? Is it going to be largely AMC, housing finance and insurance?
That's right. I think AMC, life insurance, housing finance, NBFC, these are the big ones. I think there's huge headroom to grow in each of these.
But India is an underpenetrated market. How do you see yourself getting into the big league, so to say?
So I think the idea is to grow faster than the rest of the players in the NBFC market. I'm going to stop short of giving a number because I think that'll be a little a little bit of crystal ball gazing. But I think that equally important is the fact that it's a very high quality book. You're talking about a net NPA of 0.2%.
Far lower than the peers in the industry.
The systems and processes that they put in place, just for example in the risk management piece, are truly outstanding. So I think we are actually poised to grow even faster than industry than probably we ourselves estimate today.
Let's talk about the AMC business, because post demonetization there's been a shift from physical to financial savings, and all sort of AMCs have benefited from that in many ways. We've likely to see some AMCs list as well over the next 3 to 6 months. Could this be the next sort of value unlocking opportunity for shareholders, the AMC business?
So the AMC business has performed very well, and I'm particularly happy about the fact that our share in the equities market has gone up from 5% to more than 9% in the last couple of years. I think that to me, that's a very significant achievement. I think it reflects also the performance of the funds, obviously, and the confidence that investors have in our funds, which were up until then primarily known for the debt funds.
You have 11 funds that with over $1 billion each, I'm told. But would you look at value unlocking for this particular business?
So there's no plan to particularly, are you talking about listing AMC separately? So there's no plans to do that. We don't have any plans to list any of the verticals that today exist
within ABC.
That's right.
So similarly for insurance as well, you wouldn't want to carve it out separately?
So like I said, there's no plans to do that. The intent was really to create a
consolidate.
That would give us a currency for acquisition if need be in the future, to tap into the markets again if and when we need to, and most importantly to unlock value for shareholders. Obviously this value was sitting in Nuvo and not being recognized as we is very apparent today. And the whole unlocking value exercise is something that was a key driver of this whole initiative.
There is a big thrust from the government as well as far as affordable housing is concerned. How big an opportunity do you see there?
So obviously it's a very large opportunity. In fact, in the housing space, the team has done very well. We've got a book of about 4,500 crores built up only in the last 3 years. Again, a very high quality book. And the team believes that affordable housing is a space that they would want to focus on.
Asset reconstruction is another new foray of sorts, and given the focus on NPAs under the bankruptcy code, again, what's the opportunity that you see as far as the asset reconstruction business is concerned?
So I think this is a great time to get into the ARC space because of a couple of things. One is that you have a much higher supply of distressed assets today, thanks to what's happening in the macroeconomic context. We also have large operating experience across sectors as a group. And I think both of these make it a very sort of attractive opportunity for us. We've applied for a license and we look forward to getting it soon.
Sure. I want to talk about sort of more investment in ABC or Birla Capital now. You said that you're looking at getting an investor selling about 5% odd stake. Would that be a strategic investor or just a financial investor? Can you throw some color on that?
So most likely, if you were to do that, it would be a financial investor. We have no need for
a strategic
because I don't think they bring anything to the table as far as we are concerned. We are in no hurry to get in even a financial investor. So we will take our time, and I think obviously people recognize this to be a very high quality asset. Like I said earlier, we have a lot of investors
who are interested, especially after
marquee investors who are interested in taking a stake. but we will take our time and then take a call.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.